This is a Lantech Q300 pallet wrapper. We're gonna go do it in demo here. We can walk through some of the features. So it's a Lantech Q300. It doesn't have auto start, so you have to put the plastic on to start. But it does have a nice long run out ramp here for loading up with pallet jacks. But he just threw the shrink wrap on there and press the start button. Now you can do adjustable tension, how many wraps as it goes up, how many wraps it goes down. You can turn features on like a top cap or a bottom cap, you know, extra wraps at the top and bottom, depending on what kind of material you're running. Adjustable speed, so on and so forth. Lantech's are really nice pallet wrappers. They're kind of like one of the best ones in the pallet wrapping manufacturing industry. They just put a new track on it this year. He's got put it on the pallet now. Go along over here, take a look at the control panel here. Again, you can adjust wrapping force, turntable speed, carriage speed. You can, do presets for settings, how many wraps at the top, how many wraps at the bottom, all that good stuff. So again, nice Lantech Q300 pallet wrapper with a extra long ramp. See all the nice wrap pallets over there in the background that they've done.